What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're gonna unbox this custom Hot Wheels Exotics 20 pack. Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. McLaren Senna. Bugatti Chiron Zamac Edition. Lamborghini Murcielago SV. McLaren F1 GTR. Ferrari LaFerrari. Lamborghini SESTO Elemento. Audi R8 SPYDER. Pagani HUAYRA ROADSTER. (2017) Ford GT. Bugatti VEYRON. Lamborghini VENENO Zamac. Ferrari 458 SPYDER. Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. Porsche 918 SPYDER. McLaren P1. Lamborghini Aventador Mira Homage Edition. Koenigsegg Agera R. Aston Martin Vulcan. Lamborghini Aventador Super Treasure Hunt. Comment down below which was your favorite car of this Hot Wheels Exotics Custom 20 pack. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.